Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Thanks for joining us this evening to hear Mr. Pradeep Lokhande. Without further ado, I'd like to invite Mr. Manish Bhandari to welcome Mr. Pradeep Lokhande.
Right. So, as usual in this format, you're all trying to hear from Pradeep. So, just as a facilitator, I'll ask a few questions to try and get his story out, try and get all the insights about the rural businesses, the rural customer out. But before that, Pradeep, you're one of the first people who looked at rural folks as a customer, right, and potential entrepreneurs as well, right. But before we get into the the business part, tell us a little bit more about yourself. How you grew up, where you come from, and how that perhaps or how you capitalize on that background to start your journey.
Namaskar. My name is Pradeep Lokhande. Name of my organization is Rural Relations. It looks like an NGO, but it's through and through professional organization, first of all. Because anything in rural, भिकारी लोग तिकडे राहतात and त्याच्यासाठी कोणतरी काम करतात. It is not like that. I've come from a very humble background. Academically, I'm zero. Don't go by my English. I've done my graduation externally. Then there was a fad of MBA. So I've done that to get a good girl. But love marriage ho gaya. So, and I'm in this, actually basically it's a passion to me. I'm in this passion for the last 19 years. My father was a peon, but I don't want to do the crime story of it. 4 brothers, a small house, all problems. But what he has given me is Susamskrutpana. I believe in that. Because it was not possible for him to give me education. Not possible. So it was a prabhav of Hindi movies. So I had come from a place called Vai to Pune on bicycle. And it's a true story, not a Hindi movie story. And then it's a very hard journey for 10-12 years. But after that, it is so fantastic, unbelievable. But my mantra, I am telling you though, in the beginning itself, it is consistency, consistency and consistency. And along with that, little bit innovation, and you are through in life. This is my story. Absolute consistency. Patience तो करना पड़ता है, नहीं तो क्या करेगा, मार खाएगा, तो चुप बैठना. Patience तो लेना पड़ता है, but consistency is very important. And along with that, there should be some innovation, and you are through in life. So, I've done my external graduation from commerce. Then as I have told you, one degree from IMDR, a place called IMDR in Pune, in Deccan Education Society. But my good luck is that in the first campus interview I got into Johnson & Johnson. रस्त्यावरचा पोरगा in 5-star hotel, straight. For a training. चप्पल घालायला नव्हती. So it was a big problem. How to drink that welcome drink in 5-star hotel, it was a big story, and which I have written in my book. की गेल्यावरती हळू प्यायचं का एकदम पिऊन टाकायचं का अर्धच प्यायचं म्हणजे जरा स्टायलिश दिसतं माहित नव्हतं मला. It was a very big problem. When I used to pick up a phone, इकडं धरायचं असं बोलायचं का असं. This is all we have faced when any youth come from rural India, for that matter, because there is no exposure. Now it is an entirely changed India, which we will probably discuss. Then I worked with Johnson & Johnson for 18 months. And in that 18 months, I thought that I have learned everything. And then we have started our own business. It was entirely different than what I am doing today. It was with one very successful industrialist of Pune, it's called Satish Magar. He was my partner. I have told him, की मला आता सगळं मार्केटिंग कळतं, आपण करू मार्केटिंग आता. And he heard me because त्याला माहित नव्हतं त्यावेळेला. And one another friend of mine called Jay Prakash Gemi. Then we have started distribution agency. Basically, friend, distribution is not a distribution government. How best you can manage your money is a distribution. And if it is your own money, then only it is a successful business. Otherwise, it is not. It is my opinion again. So, but we were the people who have launched Monjani's cake in Pune. That time. मैं खुराकी वाले के ऑफिस के बाहर सुबह 9 बजे से दोपहर को 4 बजे तक बाहर बैठा था उनके ऑफिस में इन बॉम्बे. When he has called me inside, he was having a 2000 square feet office. क्या चाहते हो बच्चे आप मुझे? The first sentence I have told him is, I want to launch your product in Pune in 163 outlets. Is the 103 or 63 outlets? From where to you are talking about? So that mapping plays very well. Then there was a blueprint in my hand. All thanks to Johnson & Johnson. How to present yourself? Little bit, thoda bota, thoda thoda. I told him these are the 163 best outlets of Pune. They have a good free, so I can sell your product from this point. He was impressed with that. And I told him I have only 50,000 rupees and I want your distribution. And then we have started with that distribution. Along with that, then again we have gone to Fruity. That time Fruity was a so successful brand. The first Tetra Pak brand which was launched only in Pune. So if you happen to be on the airport that time, practically everybody was to carry that Tetra Pak. It was that on the road that time. Then we have taken the agency of, but in 3 years time I realized that it is not, you cannot do that business with the bank money. Like I used to start my work at 7:30 in the morning until 11:30 in the morning. The only thing I have achieved through that is how to manage money, and the second khunnas is all the shopkeepers used to call me Shet. Why? Because any distributor of this country is basically a Shet. Why? You know, he pays money in advance to the manufacturer and he gives goods to the shopkeeper on credit. So Shet. Doghansa finance. So that was the only thing which I have enjoyed.
Which period was this?
87, 88.
Okay. And what was your sort of, when was your first encounter with the, looking at the rural markets?
No, after that I have started one organization called ICRC. At that time I thought that याचं मोठं नाव असलं की लोक खुश होतात आणि जरा वाटतं काहीतरी मोठी ऑर्गनायझेशन. इंडियन कॉर्पोरेट रिसर्च सेंटर असं नाव दिलं मी त्यांना. Because brand plays very important role in this country and across the world. And that was the first thing what along with that organization what we have done is organized promotion in urban India. There is no organized promotion in this country. You all must have received one sachet of Ariel, one sachet of Sarab Ultra in your house. And there are organizations, it is unorganized. So first time I have tried they will wear a dress, then I have presented that to the Hindustan level and we were the people who have launched Surf Ultra in Pune. We have sampled that time 3 lakh units in Pune. Very organized manner. I was having that time a blueprint of ABC of Pune. 3 bedroom, 2 bedroom, chart, all the mapping of Pune. That I have done for 3 years. And 1993 I have realized I am not getting money. And that time it was money and nothing else. And 93 I was in Mumbai to listen to one gentleman called Guru Sharan Das. Sagarna mahithi tumhala. And I was there and I think I paid 500 or 600 rupees to listen to him that time. Out of his 45 minutes, he was speaking, and that time I was thinking of rural India. Out of 45 minutes, he spoke 37 minutes on rural India. And that day I have taken a call from henceforth, I will work only in rural India because this big man is talking about rural India means it is important. And you are also understanding that rural is important. And that day I have taken a call in 1993.
So what was the first thing that came to your mind? You know, so here you heard him. So here you heard him talk about rural markets, right? But it's not like what we see today. We've already seen a lot of success stories. But 40 years back, how did you go about it?
21 years back.
Correct. So what was
it was in my mind. When I was with Johnson & Johnson, I travelled that time in Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is comparatively that time it was in a Bimaru state. To travel to Jabalpur, or there are only 2 towns, major towns in Madhya Pradesh that time, that was Bhopal and Jabalpur. Indore and Bhopal, and Indore is a financial capital. So when I've been to Ratlam, I've been to Baitul, these are the district places. It was the big villages. And I thought that there's so many villages. Madhya Pradesh has 75,000 villages. India has 6,38,000 villages. Maharashtra has 43,000 villages.